intercom system installed for sliding and pedestrian gate. So this is the sliding gate. The automatic sliding gate motor is installed to a sliding gate, and that's the pedestrian gate. The pedestrian gate has a magnetic lock and the gate closer. That's the push button. We are now inside, and in order to get out, you can simply press the push button. You can see the antenna for the intercom to have the better network system. That's the magnetic lock. This is gate closer. A closer view of magnetic lock. This is the machine there. And this part is fitted with the gate. And the magnetic lock is fitted to the locking post. That's the outside view of sliding gate, intercom keypad and the pedestrian gate. That's the main intercom keypad, in which you can see a call button. This one. You've got a speaker by what you can talk through. This is you can see some numbers, and you will have an access code to have the access to the premises. So you can simply press the access code, and then the gate will open for you. You are given access to it. Let's introduce you to a wireless mobile SIM card controlled intercom system brand AES Global, which is operated from your mobile phone via an app. The app will work like a receiver, which will receive calls or requests from the outdoor unit, and you can give access someone to enter. So as you can see on my home screen, that's the app. You can simply open the app, where you can see output 1 and output 2, meaning you will be able to control 2 gates or 2 doors at the same time from a single app. And these are the 3 different ways of opening your gate. This is output 1, this is output 2, same way. And you will have keypad codes here. You can change your keypad code, you can change the time, you can set temporary code, delete code, you can store new keypad code, you can also add proxy tag card, you can set timers, you've got other many options. So when you receive a phone call from the outdoor intercom keypad, that will show on your app, or you can receive the phone call directly, talk to the person who wants to enter, and you can come to the app, simply choose any of these options and open the gate for them. It's really easy.